Welcome to this video on Appian, the leading low-code automation platform brought to you by Hope Infotech. Appian is a powerful low-code platform that allows organizations to quickly design, develop, and deploy applications with minimal coding. It drives digital transformation by streamlining workflows, integrating data, and improving operational efficiency. Organizations choose Appian for its powerful low-code platform, accelerating development and improving operational efficiency. The user-friendly interface and automation capabilities reduce dependency on large IT teams. Features like AI integration and real-time data insights enhance decision-making and boost productivity. Some challenges include limited customization for complex apps and a steep learning curve for advanced features. Solutions include using APIs for customization, providing thorough training, choosing cost-optimized plans, and using middleware for easy integration. Key features include fast development using low-code tools and visual interfaces. It also provides intelligent automation through AI-driven workflow management. Appian ensures seamless integration with multiple systems and is a cloud-ready platform, offering secure and scalable deployment. Appian offers several benefits, such as faster delivery and cost efficiency. It drives process automation, leading to better productivity. Additionally, it provides easy integration and scalable solutions. Key job roles include the Appian developer, who designs, builds, and deploys low-code applications, and the Appian business analyst, who gathers requirements and translates business needs into Appian solutions. Appian is characterized by its low-code rapid app development platform and strong workflow automation. It provides easy integration with multiple systems, a user-friendly interface, and a scalable, flexible architecture. It also features cloud-based secure deployment support. In conclusion, Appian is a powerful low-code platform that allows businesses to build applications quickly and automate complex workflows. Its strong integration, scalability, and automation features support digital transformation and enhance customer experiences in a competitive market. Get in touch with us to learn more about Appian training and services. Our team is ready to guide you with expert support, course details, and career assistance. You can reach us via phone, our website, or email. Thank you for your attention. For more information, please visit our website at www.hopeinfotech.com.